Good morning. It's a beautiful late summer day here in Wisconsin. We're standing at the trailhead for the Tuscobia State Trail. Got the sign about the story. There's some bathrooms right there, it looks like. It's a pretty large parking lot. I think you could park a lot of vehicles here. But this portion of the trail is Ice Age and looks like it's open to foot traffic only. There's a bench right here, right off the bat. And we're going to begin our journey on the Tuscobia Trail, Tuscobia Segment, which is part of the Tuscobia State Trail. What you got, tools? All kinds of good sniffs. All kinds of good sniffs in this area. What you got, tools? In memory of Hulda Hilfiger. I think she's the one who's responsible for all this. This is a really nice bench. And if I'm not mistaken, this was like her favorite spot. I think Tuscobia Creek is down here at the bottom. There it is, back in there. There's water in it. There's not much water, but the other side, it looks like there's kind of a wetland looking area. There is actually some water back there. It looks like duck algae on top of water right there. So the creek, I don't know if it runs under the segment or if there's a culvert or not entirely sure. Oh, what's this? Let's go down here. Oh, what's this? What do we got here? I see flowing water here. I'm just gonna shoot off the trail. We got a bench right here. And we got some pretty nice flowing water out of, yep, a big culvert. You can see that water is moving. That looks good. This is a really nice space down here by Tuscobia Creek. That was pretty neat. Oh, whoa, whoa, barbed wire. Oh, be careful, barbed wire, Tula. This is a very nice little creek. Ooh, that water is ice cold. If you look closely, there's water running in there too. Yep. So this little valley that's draining into the creek right here, it also has water flowing in it. Right there. Wow. That looks clean. Looks like some really nice water over there. Like somebody's been there getting water. Alright, heading back on trail. That was a nice little detour by the creek. Oh, what's this? Let's check this out. Right on the other side. Nature Site Memorial. Ice Age. Point of interest number 7. So this looks like the duck algae we were seeing through the woods before. The other side of the culvert. Looking upstream here on the Tuscobia Creek, goes up quite a ways. But it is hard to not notice this big tree. You can almost see its top, but there's my foot. I don't want to touch it, get sap on my hands. This is a nice little space if you're back here on the Tuscobia segment of the Ice Age National Scenic Trail. All right, Tula, this is mile 100. Mile 100 from the western terminus going eastbound. This is according to the far out map. This is mile 100. I don't see any markers or anything. There's a ditch over here. There's a berm and a forest over here. We got a culvert that runs through right here. Caution, buried fiber optic cable. Pretty uneventful. We'll stop, take a picture at mile 100. Here on the Tuscobia segment of the Ice Age National Scenic Trail. Point of interest number 8. Huh. Horses. Alright, we just came from that way to this road crossing intersection area. And Tuscobia continues up that way. But we're going to stop right here. This is a foggy start to our day. Today, Tools and I are gonna finish off the Tuscobia segment. It's been a while since we've been on trail. So there's been a season change since we left off here last time. You can see it's pretty much been fall. There's still some foliage on the trees, but a lot of it's fallen to the ground. We left off right here last time, and so we're going to continue heading sort of in a northeasterly direction this way towards Brill. Ready to head to Brill, Tools? Let's go. Foggy cold morning here on Tuscobia. It's about 38 degrees. Yeah, the air is crisp. It smells like fall. All right, we've come to County Highway M. Looks like we got some traffic, so we'll just let the traffic pass. Let's go, Tools. It's hard to see down there with the fog. When people are coming or not, yeah, you can barely even see them. So here we are again. Still on the Tuscobia. There's our Ice Age sign. There's another Ice Age sign. Coming to another trail intersection. It's birds out there in that field. But we're gonna keep heading this way on the Tuscobia. Coming up to another road crossing. Back on the Ice Age with the fall colors on the Tuscobia. Water's flowing good here. And and you can see it's pretty clear. Looks pretty clean. Look at the other side. Oh wow, that is beautiful. There's a beautiful bench here overlooking that river back there. Looks like we're coming into Brill. We got a baseball field. Looks like trailhead parking. So it looks like the wagon wheel bar is down that way. Or maybe it's up that way, I guess. And it looks like the trail continues straight right there. So we're gonna keep going. We're in Brill. Little late. That looks like the downtown Brill area. And then the trail's right here. You don't really need to stop for anything, so we're just gonna keep following the yellow blaze. Stopped here for a quick water break. And now we're gonna continue on that way. It's now 42 degrees. County Highway V. This seems like a busy crossing. But we might have just got a clearing. Oh, let's hurry, Tools. We got a car coming. Awesome. Didn't even have to stop. This is a really beautiful spot in the Tuscobia. Looks like we're at another intersection. This side's closed. Looks like that side might be closed too. Probably just for snowmobiles. First yellow blaze we've seen in a while. Here at another trail intersection. It's like trail 34, but it's closed. But we're heading this way anyways. Coming up to a road crossing. The sun is in full force right now. It's definitely getting warmer and warmer and warmer. It's supposed to get up to 60 today, which is perfect weather for hiking. There's our yellow blaze. Whoop. And we're still on the Tuscobia State Trail. Looks like we have a 8 marker. And we're just continuing on. There's a really nice ranch back in there. It's an entrance to the ranch. So it goes this way. Kind of solar powered something right there. Went up to County Trunk T. Sounds like it's been a busy road. Yeah, there's a car right there. And I think we're clear. You can hear the cars really close by here to our right of that way. I think we're following the highway right up there. All right, we're coming up on some kind of trail junction here where it looks like the Ice Age Trail heads off this direction, not that direction. And we're also entering a new county, Washburn County. So that's kind of neat. All right. And it looks like the trail cuts off into the woods here. Yep. Blaze by some cool looking fungus. Now we're coming out of the woods. Wow. Look at that. That thing's huge. A couple of them. These things are big. Yeah, more of these monster mushrooms over here. Anybody know what those are? Comment. These things are huge. Things like the size of my hand. So we just came from this way and we're heading down this way. Looks like it sent us over to this ATV trail. Alright, so we came, it kicked us off into this little path off the woods. And now it looks like it's sending us back onto this ATV path. Kind of confusing. It looks like the blazes keep sending you off the ATV path and then back on it. Yeah, there's the yellow blaze. Oh, so we have to keep our heads up here. Because here's just another, so there's the highway, the ATV path, and then the Ice Age Trail is kind of adjacent to this ATV path. And it just kind of winds through this little wooded section. I'd imagine to keep hikers away from the ATV traffic, a little bit safer. But it also makes for a little better hike, if you ask me. It's kind of neat. And now look, we're up on top of sort of a bird's eye view. Now we're coming back out of the woods. Looks like we're back onto the ATV path. There's a yellow blaze. And just a little bit of water, that's where it's coming from. Looks like the trail cuts over here. So we just came from right there, that blaze. We crossed the highway. And then there's this blaze right here in the ditch. And we'll keep following it right at this intersection here. Looks like Featherstone and Stout Road. So we'll just keep heading this way. And it looks like we're going to actually veer off to the left up here. Looks like the blazes go off to the left. Alright. Made it to Lac Lomond Road. See, our next blaze was up here by the stop sign. Alright, here's our next blaze. And this starts the connector down to Hemlock Creek. And the connector just goes down that way, south towards Hemlock Creek. We're gonna stop here and take a break. Featherstone and Lac Lomond Road. Are you ready, Tula? Ready? Let's go. 29 and 9/16 and 28 and 3/4. 28 and is that 7/8? Interesting street names here. 29 and 7/16, 28 and 3/4. 29 and 5/16. 29 1/4, 28 and 3/4. Still on 29 1/4. 28 and 7/8, 28 and 3/4. Ice Age Trail to the left. Here on Finnahorn, 28th and 11/16. And it looks like our trailhead somewhere down there. I think I can see the Ice Age sign. So we're coming off the connector, and it looks like right here is the start of the Hemlock Creek segment. So that's gonna do it for the connector from the Tuscobia to the Hemlock Creek. And we'll be back in the next video to start the Hemlock Creek. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit. Hopefully the rain holds out. All right.